That's my problem with it.
Faster than the snipers, though. So
I got the ASCAV, so I'm hoping to stun a couple of people in a big group.
Is it AoE?
Oh,
Yeah.
that's funny.
that ASCAV is awesome. That's what I was gonna run, but
Slow reload. I think we should only have one.
yeah.
Oh. What?
It's the area effect is like, I don't know, 5 bodies out from the person, perhaps. But I mean, it stuns them for a good like 2 or 3 seconds. Messes
Yeah, I
up
think
their
it's
HUD.
less about damage and more about just like fucking up their ability to fight you.
Yeah.
Could be.
This is very cool.
Joe, don't crush this.
Are you
Freaking-
backing in?
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
legit, but-
That,
Oh,
Back it up,
back
it up.
Wait, what is grenade is
Oh shit!
cheat,
Oh shit!
right?
Oh shit! Oh shit!
bye ship.
Don't blow me up.
Oh, I actually parked. Oh, you're watch out for your ass.
That's my plan. Yeah. I
We
just
gonna
need to be able
die?
to put the rest of it in. No promises that you.
We have a
be
respawn
alright.
ship here.
We'll be alright.
Okay.
We can.
Dunzo.
Well, it was nice knowing you all.
Hey,
It's been real.
good parking. Are we gonna take down the comma ray? We never discussed it.
I think. Yeah, they're
Alright,
doing
good.
that shit.
Thank God.
Okay, so
Does that mean no crime stats are given? Is that
we're
all it
kind of half hanging off, so don't jump off the front side, guys. I'm gonna open the doors.
Rear.
I'm gonna set up the power distribution the way I want to.
Whoa, that was
We're
pretty
just-
sick.
We're just gonna jump up the side